Hello, and welcome to the channel. This lens came before the famous Canon FD lenses. I thought I would get an old-fashioned quality, but this was not the case. The sharpness wide open is not there. One stop makes it better, of course, but the bokeh quickly becomes less beautiful. You can take good pictures with this lens, but this is not what you get from the FD series. I understand the upgrade from Canon to FD for these FL lenses. This lens will therefore no longer be used and only serve as an archive piece.